Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in my life video. I just woke up right now, so I'm going to get ready for my day and then just take it from there. First thing I'm gonna do is just brush this hair out. I did it yesterday. Usually it's Don't forget to drink water, guys. I'm super bad at drinking water, but I definitely need to do it in the mornings. I'm trying to get better at it. So next I'm going to use the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. I know this says body, but this lotion has changed my life. I used to have really bad acne, and it went away since using this lotion. Everyone's different. Every skin type is different. My friend, she broke out really bad from this, and she likes to use coconut oil, but if coconut oil's on my skin, I'll break out so bad. So every skin is different. You gotta figure out what works for you. I got my boyfriend into using this stuff though, and he loves it. It's a really thick lotion though, so if you have more oily skin and your skin's not like the desert that sucks life out of it, then I wouldn't recommend using this. If you have super dry skin and you don't know what else to do, definitely give this a shot. I just massage my face. A lot of tension from sleeping. I also retain a lot of water. I get super bloated, and last night I had some ice cream, which can upset my stomach, so I typically will wake up kind of puffy in the mornings when I do that. So I'm definitely feeling the puff. Right, next I'm gonna get my Aquaphor lip repair. I like it because I'm really sensitive to mint, and I need something that's non-scented. Next, I have my jade roller. Jav found the nastiest looking avocado. Isn't that gross?
The pit.
You're smelling the avocado. So I'm making the smoothie for 2 people. Cut the recipe in half if you want to make it for 1. Start with 2 bananas. Oh, my stomach is growling. Next, you are going to take a massive handful of spinach. All right, next you're gonna get pasteurized egg whites, and we're going to do 2 cups because I'm doing it for 2 people. Egg whites in there. I like to do it over the spinach. 1 cup of almond milk. I like to blend it when it's at this state before I add the strawberries. Alright, then get your peanut butter. I usually do this much. Get that peanut butter. Jav doesn't like thick smoothies and I do, so I'm going to try to not make it too thick. I'm going to start with 4 strawberries and we'll see from there. This is Jav.
Hello, everybody.
He's making an appearance. So we're just gonna eat breakfast. I need to get a vlog camera because my camera's so heavy. Oh, getting an arm workout. Okay, I did a workout yesterday, so I'm gonna do more low impact stuff today because I'm super sore. So I'm going to go do some yoga. Now, I am new to yoga. I don't really do it. I used to hate yoga actually, but lately I've kind of been using it as a way to just like relax, get my day started, end my day. So I'm going to do some yoga. And if I suck, then I suck. So Jav is busy working right now, so I'm actually gonna go to the pool, but I really wanted to show you my new mineral sunscreen. I'm really excited about it. It's called Beauty by Earth. I read an article recently that sunscreen, like certain chemicals, can actually hurt your thyroid. And I have a thyroid condition, so I really want to take care of that. I've been using it now for a couple days. It's really good. It hasn't made me break out. The downside to this is that I've used so much of it already, and I've only used it 3 times, so I wish they had bigger bottles for sure. So yes, I really do like these products. I'll link them down below. They're actually affordable. This was like $16. And I think if I can remember correctly, this is like $8. So definitely go check them out if you want to support reef-safe sunscreens and mineral sunscreens. Really simple ingredients. It's really just zinc oxide, so better for your body. So go check them out. Hey guys, so I am using my phone. I'm out by the pool. There's no one here. I'm going to find a nice spot to lay and then just chill, get a tan. I'm only going to be up here for a couple of hours just because it is a rooftop in Phoenix, Arizona. And if you're not from here, that means you will roast in an hour. So definitely going to only be out here for a little. So I love coming to this pool. It just opened. I'm just so excited to be able to use it versus being kind of like stuck in your room all day. It's really nice to at least be able to come outside. I'm really happy to get a job and I'm really thankful, but it's also going to be really nice to just chill this next week, enjoy time living with my boyfriend Javin, and yeah, it's gonna be a good beginning. Funny story, being new to YouTube, I actually filmed a whole like makeup routine for you guys, only to find out I didn't record it. So I was like talking to myself for a couple hours in my bathroom. So hopefully this video gets recorded. Hey guys, so I'm back from the pool. I just took a nice shower, moisturized my skin, and now I'm just wearing comfy clothes. I'm in my Halloween shirt. This right now is my favorite one. I've kind of declared it as fall already, even though it's gonna be 111 today outside. I'm ready for fall.
Hey guys, so we just cooked dinner for Jav's sister and her boyfriend. We had pasta with ground beef. It was really good. I think I'm definitely going to end this vlog for the day. It's been a long day and we're just chilling and watching movies. And so yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, click the like button and the notifications button, and I'll definitely be coming out with more videos.